what Mommy bought you. It's a microwave. It's got an open stop button. This is to warm up the fish. This is for chicken pizza. And you can choose the time from here and press start. Hey, wanna play? Deniz? I want some pizza. Let's put the pizza on the plate. Put it in the microwave. Shut it. Let's start. First we have to pick the pizza. Here, pizza. See? The pizza light is on. And then we can press start. Yum, 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 yum. I am so hungry. Oh, there you go. Pizza is nice and warm. Deniz. Hamburger. Let's warm it up. Pull it. Now, let's put the hamburger in the microwave. I think we should choose meat. The chicken. Now let's close the microwave. Press chicken and start. Yum, 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 yum. When it's finished, okay? And then we can take it out and eat the hamburger. Okay. Now, press the open button. Press it. Oh, good girl. Bravo, Deniz. Yum, 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 yum. The hamburger is nice and warm and ready to eat. Now you can eat the nice hamburger, okay? You want to share with Mommy? Deniz, I've got some French fries, but they are very cold. Want to put it in the microwave? Come on, come, open the button. Press the open button here where it says open. Open it. Oh. Put the French fries in the microwave here with the plate. Like this. Now close it. Close the microwave. Let's try the fish button. And start. Woo! Oh, that was fast. Now it's ready to eat, nice and warm. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom. That doesn't come out, sweetie. Nom, 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 nom.